Most we are only putting one pollen in it. Now it's why are we not just putting down?
They can just put some, then if they are few, then they add.
Quickly, so that they can.
Come this side.
No, we can just extend.
Oh, yeah.
Three items only. Three items only.
I wanted to tell you the video.
What is it, banana?
I also going. I'm also going to destroy this bread now. Where can I wash I feel like we bought many things.
For this donation drive that you have done, I've seen a lot of these drives before because I'm working in this disability sector for 20 years now or longer in all fields, from sports to politics, everywhere. What I've seen from you guys today made me very proud because your drive was a success. Point number one, it was a success and I'm proud of you guys. Keep up the good work. still for point number 1. I will end off by saying that, guys, if you keep up what you're doing, you'll go far in life. I've explained to your teacher that I've just met you guys today. I saw that the work that you were doing. To be honest with you guys, I'm visually impaired, partially sighted. I have very low vision. But that doesn't mean that I don't have, even though I have low sight, I have good vision. I can see and I can feel what you guys are doing. You guys make me very proud. You'll go far in life. And last of all, I would like to say that, guys, please, with us here, as I'm speaking on behalf of persons from different organizations for persons with disabilities, I would like you guys to do me one favor. Please, and that is to give yourselves a big round of applause. It's a success. She explained to me that she's been with you guys for 4 years now, since you are from grade 8. So it doesn't, this is not just a teacher-learner relationship, it's now a team that you guys are having. You see, it's now a working machine. So please guys, let's give her also
a big walk to the school. Hi, Miss Cargos.